Hello everyone, and welcome to the product rule video. This is for taking derivatives using the product rule. As you see, this is actually number 4 from the 2.4, 2.5 worksheet. I wanted to show this one because I thought it kind of involves a few things that some of you guys are a little confused about and don't understand. So here we go. We're going to use the product rule. First thing, like I told you guys, I always break it down and write down the parts of the problem, so that way I have it all right in front of me. Let's see here. So I get f of x being 4x cubed, excuse the handwriting, minus 3, and g of x being 3x to the 2/3 minus 6. Okay, and just to kind of remind you, I'm going to put it down here just because the product rule is the derivative of f of x times regular g of x plus the derivative of g of x times the regular of f of x. Now, I said in class that it really doesn't matter the order in which you have these, mainly because, or definitely because, we have a plus sign here, so we're adding, so it doesn't matter which way you add. You can have this thing first plus this thing, and we're multiplying in each pair, so it really doesn't matter if it's f prime g of x or g of x f prime. It doesn't matter the way you write it. The main thing to remember is that you have a derivative with a regular function, derivative with a regular function, and you're having f prime g regular, g prime f regular. Like, you would continue that process. Alright, so in order to do this, we actually still need to find the derivative of f of x and the derivative of g of x. So we take the derivative using the power rule. We get 12x squared, and using the power rule we get 2x to the negative 1/3. If you're not sure where that comes from, 2/3, I'll do it over here, 3, you bring down to 2/3, x, you subtract 1, so it gives you 1/3. Alright, 3 times 2/3 is 2x to the negative 1/3. Alright, just delete that. Okay, so now we need to use our product rule, which is down here. And this is why I moved it over here, because now I can put it right there. And we're going to plug in the information that we need. We need f prime. F prime is 12x squared times g of x, which is 3x to the 2/3. Wow, sorry. Minus 6. It's hard to write those little fractions. Plus g prime, which is 2x to the negative 1/3. Alright, and times f of x, which is 4x cubed minus 3. Now, I want you to notice something, is that I left this as x to the negative 1/3. I didn't rewrite it as 2 over x to the 1/3. Reason why is because I want to keep it all like this for now, and then eventually convert all the negative exponents to positive exponents and all that good stuff. So, let's continue. 12x squared times 3x to the 2/3. 12 times 3 is 36. Okay, now here's where I see a lot of mistakes. X squared times x to the 2/3. Same base, different exponents. You add the exponents, not multiply. Alright, I'm seeing a lot of people do 2 times 2/3. That's not what you do. You add. So you need to find a common denominator here. So this would be 6 over 3. 6 over 3 plus 2 over 3 is 8 over 3. If you made a mistake, I bet you that's the mistake you made. If you made one, you may not have, which would be awesome. Alright, so I get 72x squared, because that's 12x squared times negative 6, plus. Alright, again, 2x to the negative 1/3 times 4x cubed, I get 8x. Now again, negative 1/3 times x to the negative 1/3 times x to the 3rd. You add the exponents. This is the same as 9/3, so this again gives you 8/3. Alright, minus 6x to the negative 1/3. Alright, that's 2x to the negative 1/3 times negative 3. I combine like terms. If you see here and here, those are like terms. So I get my 44x to the 8 thirds minus 72x squared minus 6 over the cubic root of x. Alright, that's when I switch it. The last step, when I need to have no negative exponents in my final solution, that is when sorry about that, I switch the negative exponent to the denominator. Okay, so that's 44x to the 8 thirds minus 72x squared minus 6 over the cubic root of x. And you can leave it just like that. Be done. Actually, just one more thing. I remember someone brought this up in class, and I want to make sure that I address it. You could also leave your solution as this. You could leave it as x to the 1/3 instead of like this. You can have it like that. Both of these are totally acceptable. Both of these are fine because there's no negative exponent. There's no like terms that should be combined. There's no factoring involved. This is it. Alright? I hope this helps. Thank you very much for watching, and good luck with your studies. Adios. Oh, by the way, the secret letter is U. Secret letter is U. Thank you.